Hello my people, welcome to GLAATORY. If today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. On today's video I'll show you how I made this almond cookie. This is very easy recipe. Remember the squeezed almond that I did on almond milk? So today I'll be showing how I made the cookies. Here I'm using the room temperature butter. I'll be whisking it until it's fluffy and pale in color. So I'll be adding the brown sugar and I'll be mixing it to well combine. I'll be using 1 whole egg and vanilla flavor. I'll be listing all the ingredients that I used for this recipe on my description. Hope you will check it out. And the right measurement that I used. So this is the chaff of the almond that I squeezed out from the almond milk, and flour with salt. So I'll be mixing all to well combine. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel at GLAATORY and follow my Facebook page at GLAATORY Flavor.
GLAATORY, you're the best!
So I hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy, no waste. So you can use your chaff to make the cookie or bake a cake. So here I'll be putting my almond flakes as a topping for this cookie. Remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel at GLAATORY or follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors, what are you waiting for? I'll be baking this cookie for 20 minutes under 160 degrees Celsius. As you can see, all well baked. I hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. With this recipe, whenever you have your almond milk squeezed out, don't throw away the chaff. You can still use the chaff for another recipe. Hope you'll get to try this. It came out so well. And very crunchy. Thank you for watching and hope to see you on my next video. Bye.